Welcome back. Well, the countdown has begun after 39 days, 103 matches and countless moments of drama, heartbreak and glory. The 2026 FIFA World Cup has come down to its final chapter. Two footballing giants, two different footballing philosophies, one ultimate prize. And today in New Jersey, Argentina and Spain stand just one victory away from immortality. The defending champions are looking to retain their crown, and La Roya chasing a second star and a return to the summit of world of football. Now, the question is it going to be a match between experience and youth? Is it going to be attack against defense? Messi against Yamal? The stage is all set for a blockbuster finale. So let's take a look at how important this is, what is expected to happen, and of course we will also be going across to our reporters who will be getting us action from the ground, because the football fans around the country have been preparing for this very moment. It's going to be a Super Sunday. So let's get you the form and momentum of each side. Let's start with history. Argentina and Spain have met 14 times before, and remarkably there is almost nothing to separate them, because both nations have won 6 matches apiece, with 2 ending in draws. So their last World Cup meeting came back in 1966, when Argentina emerged to 1 winners. Their most recent encounter, however, went Spain's way in quite an emphatic fashion as well, a 6-1 victory in Madrid. That was in 2018. And if the historic rivalry is evenly poised, so is the tactical contrast as well, because Argentina arrive as the tournament's most prolific attacking side with 19 goals. But Spain also arrived at the tournament almost with watertight defensive unit, having conceded just once in the entire series. So this final pits the competition's best attack against its best defense. Let's open this up and find out what the fans of the country actually want. We have Dev joining us from Delhi, we have Rajesh Saha joining us from Kolkata, Varshini joining us from Bengaluru, and Arpita joining us from Kerala. Let me begin with Arpita. I can see a lot of fans around you. In fact, the Kerala Chief Minister Arpita has also announced a holiday for schools tomorrow. That's the kind of craze that football is in Kerala. How are the fans preparing, and who are the favourites?
Well, Pratibha rightly said, Kerala is known for football fans across here. Like, people go crazy for football, not just football, across in Kerala. Sports is something that people look forward. Here, I am here. Already preparations are underway. They have put in a screen here for people to watch. There are few fans already gathered here. They have their Argentina. Clearly, they have Argentina supporters here. So, what are you looking forward for today's match?
In today's match, I am sure that Messi will score 2 goals and Argentina will win.
Argentina will win, sure.
So you're all Messi fans?
Yes, we are Messi fans.
Messi fans.
So we have Messi fans here. By night, we are expecting that there will be a huge crowd that will be gathered here. In fact, there are Argentina flags put here, and also there are multiple posters that have been put here. Like you mentioned, Pratibha, because of the football craze in the state government has declared holiday for all educational institutions tomorrow. Because in fact, there were many kids who had come forward requesting the Chief Minister for a holiday, and that request has now been granted by the Chief Minister, with the state government declaring holiday for all educational institutions tomorrow. Because there were multiple ministers also who had come forward, because they believe that students can easily watch the match at night and take rest tomorrow, because of which now the state government has declared a holiday, Pratibha.
Okay, all right, Arpita, I can also see you wearing blue. I hope it's not a hint at who you're supporting as well. Let me also go across to Dev Kotak joining us. So Dev, on one side you have a lot of support coming in from Messi, he's known as the legend, but on the other side you also have a youngster, Yamal, also seen as a favourite and the future of football.
Well, yes, there is one picture that has been going viral where several years ago Lionel Messi is seen holding Yamal, and history repeats itself, sort of a scenario out here. Messi and Yamal will be clashing against each other in one of the tightest games tonight. But however, I have some fans with me. Let me try to ask them. आज रात को स्पेन वर्सेस अर्जेंटीना मैच खेला जाएगा. अगर क्रिकेट की भाषा में कहे तो इंडिया वर्सेस ऑस्ट्रेलिया के बराबर का ये दिग्गज है. 14 मैच खेले हैं, 6-6 जीत चुके और 2 ड्रॉ हुई है. आपका क्या कहना है इन दोनों दिग्गजों के बारे में?
सर, मेरा मानना है कि मेरे लिए तो जैसे आपने बताया कि इंडिया बेस्ट है, साउथ अफ्रीका और इंडिया का मैच होगा, तो मेरे लिए तो इंडिया ही है पहले.
तो यहाँ पे मतलब इंडिया की इक्विवेलेंट किसको कहेंगे, स्पेन या अर्जेंटीना? दोनों ही बहुत तगड़ा खेलते हैं.
तो मैं स्पेन को ही कहूंगा सर.
जी, अर्जेंटीना में मेसी अपना दूसरा वर्ल्ड कप जीतने का प्रयास करेगा, इसके बाद वो रिटायर हो जाएगा. तो आप एक मेसी के फैन के तौर पर क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
नहीं, मैं तो मेसी का फैन नहीं हूँ, मैं रोनाल्डो का फैन हूँ. ठीक है, अगर वो जीते वो हारे उससे मुझे कोई मतलब नहीं है.
तो यानी कि आपका सपोर्ट स्पेन को होगा?
स्पेन को ही होगा. और अगर रोनाल्डो जिस टीम में भी होता, चाहे जो सा भी देश हो, किसी टीम से भी होता रोनाल्डो, तो मैं उसका ही सपोर्ट करता. चाहे इंडिया से होता, चाहे कहीं से भी होता, तो मैं उसका ही सपोर्ट करता. डोंट लाइक दिस मेसी.
जी, you heard that there are some very clear ideologies in terms of who they should support. We also have some very young kids out here who play not just cricket, not just football, but several other sports, and it is somewhere reflecting in the fact that the Delhi Chief Minister has declared all pubs, bars, lounges and screening venues to be open minimum till 4 a.m. So this somewhere signals and highlights a rise in the sport in India, and these fans out here joining us very ardently will be watching the match tonight. They are out here at the Noida International Stadium and spoke to our channel as well.
Right. And talking about the match, of course, individual brilliance is going to matter here as well, but so does momentum, because no team arrives at this final with greater momentum than Spain. And they remain unbeaten in their last 37 matches. That's quite a victory so far. 13 World Cup matches without a single defeat. But going by Varshini's jersey, it's going to be a victory for Spain. That's what it looks like. Varshini, is that the country you're rooting for? And what are people around you saying? Because many are also predicting a hat-trick for Messi here.
Absolutely, yes, Pratibha. I think my favorite team would be Spain, because the team looks very promising. The entire team, as they are working as a team, it's not just about one person, and there's a lot of unity that we can see. So I am rooting for Spain. But we are here at this, football stadium where we see a lot of young girls who are, playing football, and they are all players and excited for the match tonight. So let's try and get a word from the students here at Pass Football Club. So who do you think is going to win tonight? It's a very interesting match, and how much do you look?
I'm really excited who will win, but cross-cut for Spain, because I support Spain and Portugal. Sadly, Portugal didn't win and they declared Ronaldo as the legend. I'm really happy. Whoever wins, I'm good. Yeah.
But you want Spain to win very badly. Yes. So you're a Ronaldo fan, if I'm not wrong. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. Hi. And Yamal. So you think a younger, new player winning would be great?
Yes.
Who do you guys like? Who are you guys rooting for tonight?
I am supporting Argentina.
Okay. Is it because of Messi?
I fell in love with football because of Messi, but I started watching Argentina play for a very long time. So I know every one of them. I know all of their qualities. So I'm pretty much supporting the entire Argentina right now. So
how many goals do you think they're going to get tonight?
So it's going to be very hard to predict, because I did a comparison on both of them, because Spain has pretty much evolving new young players, and Argentina has a lot of experienced players, I'd say. And the coincidence of, Messi having a picture with Yamal, and, Yamal growing up in Barcelona. So they have a pretty same type of game, because Messi also grew up in the Barca academy. So it's going to be very tough. And Spain has a very good attacking team, but honestly a little less finishing. So Argentina
has been finishing pretty well in the last couple of matches.
After giving us a heart attack, our heart rates will go up and down then, yeah.
Others, who do you guys... Oh, you're rooting for Spain already?
Yeah.
Spain to win.
Yes.
Why do you think Spain should win?
I don't know, because last time Argentina won, so If Spain wins, yeah.
And a young team and a promise.
Yeah, yes.
Or are you also part of this Messi-Ronaldo rivalry, or it's just football?
No. I'm also part of Messi Ronaldo. Yes.
So, who do you want to win? Spain! Spain! So there's a lot of Spain supporters, and I'm so glad I'm wearing the jersey amongst you guys. Can we have a Vamos Spain for you?
Let's go, Spain!
So that is what we're picking up from the ground, Pradeepa.
all
Amazing
right.
young
So the
talents
cheering
here.
has already
Hopefully they'll be big.
Varshini, and I'm sure the cheering will continue all through the night. Let's see what happens. But we are breaking updates coming in from Kerala. We spoke about how football fever has gripped Kerala ahead of the much-awaited match. And the Chief Minister has also announced a holiday for all schools and colleges tomorrow, allowing students to stay up and watch the midnight clash. In a post on social media, the Chief Minister urged young fans to enjoy the games in Kerala. Tomorrow, schools and colleges are going to be shut. Of course, in Karnataka and in Delhi as well, the restaurants and bars are also going to remain open till late in the night. So, Arpita, celebrations have already begun, and the Chief Minister's announcement, no doubt, has come as a big relief to people in the state.
Well, yes, Pratibha. In fact, I have few young fans here who are very happy that they don't have to go to school tomorrow. We'll ask them. Chief Minister has declared a holiday for you tomorrow. How happy are you about it?
We're very happy.
Were you expecting this from the government?
Yeah, it is very good.
Who are you supporting? What are your expectations from today's match?
I am supporting Argentina, and Argentina will win today by 3-1. Messi score 2 goals.
2 goals?
Messi will
And
score
are you
2 goals.
happy that Chief Minister has given you holiday tomorrow?
Yes, I am very happy.
Were you expecting this from the government?
No.
What about you? Are you also Argentina fans? Because I can see so many Argentina fans.
Yeah, I'm also an Argentina fan.
Any particular player you're supporting?
Lionel Messi. It's my 5th World Cup. I still watching in 2010. It's my 5th World Cup, and I'm so happy to watch this World Cup final.
So, Pratibha here, as you can see, the most of the supporters here are Messi fans, Argentina fans. But like you mentioned, Kerala government has declared a holiday, which is definitely a relief for all the students in Kerala, in the state of Kerala, Pratibha.
Okay, so that means a lot more celebrations can take place. And thank you, caller reporters, for joining us. We will come back to you at 7 as well for an update on how the celebrations are going on. Quick break now. We'll be right back.